डाउट यहाँ पे मार्केट ऊपर गया था, फिर रिवर्स आया, नेक्स्ट डे सेलिंग के लिए आया, तो कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पे 5 PM में आपको हो सकता है मिला होगा.
You already watched this 5 EMA trading strategy video and also watched many videos about modified version of this strategy on YouTube, but at the end you end up with too many trades and stop loss because this strategy have win ratio only 50%.
What?
But today's video I discuss about best modified version of 5 EMA strategy, and win ratio on this strategy is 80%. I used two more indicators to make my accuracy from 50% to 80%. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now before deep dive into the strategy, I'll discuss about some rules that I changed. First rule, we'll use this strategy only on sell side. Secondly, 5 minutes time frame will be used. Third, as usual, we're going to use 5 EMA. Fourth, we're going to use additional indicator, Bollinger Bands and ADX. Our target will be lower Bollinger Bands or minimum 1 each to 2 risk to reward ratio. Stop loss will be alert candle high. Now, you must have a question. What is alert candle? Well, when a candle closes completely above the 5 EMA, it is considered as an alert candle. And if the next candle also remains above the 5 EMA and does not break the low of the previous alert candle, then the previous alert candle is ignored, and the new candle becomes the new alert candle. This process is repeated until a candle breaks the low of the alert candle, at which point a short trade is taken. And you can apply this modified strategy on any instruments like Nifty, Banknifty, stock commodity, etc. Now your question is when to enter into the trade. Coming up in next slide, guys. Now we come to the main part. Before enter into the trade, first we set up 3 indicators. Go to indicator, type moving average, add moving average exponential. Click on setting and change length from 9 to 5 and change color. Again, go to indicator, type Bollinger Band. Click on settings, change standard deviation to 1.5 and on stall tab, unmark basis option. Again, go to indicator, type ADX and draw a horizontal line on 25. Because above 25, our trade will be activated. Before going to chart, I want to give you a bonus tip. If you get dodgy shooting star or bullish engulfing candle that closes above 5 EMA, then I can bet you that trade gives you huge profit. Now, if we look at the chart, we get a doji candle here. As our rule, this candle closes above 5 EMA and Bollinger Band. Now last step to check ADX number. If ADX is above 25, then we enter into trade. Here ADX is 32, and we will enter into trade. Now we check stop loss and target. Here our stop loss is only 17 points. And target is 65 point, which is nearest point to lower Bollinger Band. Our risk to reward ratio is about 1 each to 4. Let's go further and check another trade. Here we get another candle that closes above 5 EMA and Bollinger Band. But if we check ADX, then we see ADX is 16, which is below 25. Here we do not enter into the trade and save our money. I mean stop loss. Now going further, we identify a shooting star. And this candle closes above 5 EMA and Bollinger Band. Let's check ADX. ADX is 27, which is above 25, and we'll enter into the trade. Now we check stop loss and target. Here our stop loss is only 25 points and we get 170 points. Risk to reward ratio is 1 each to 7. Can you imagine, guys? When we will lose small amount, but in return we will get huge profit. Video we also see a losing trade. Otherwise we will not get idea. During losing trade, how much going to lose? Here is our losing trade on banknifty. We get candle that closes above 5 EMA and Bollinger Band. RDX is also above 25. But this trader neither gives 1 each to 2 risk to reward ratio, nor goes to lower Bollinger Band. At last it hits stop loss. Now if we check stop loss is only 30 points, which is very small in banknifty. Now you have learned the modified 5 EMA strategy. It's your time, do more practice this setup and take trade. Also don't forget to write a comment if you like this video. If you found valuable, then you can share this video with your friends. Happy trading.